We're going to show you a little bit of geography. So where we drove past that Rendezvous Hotel earlier, you can literally see it in the background. So have a look at this. So see where that big tall building is? Just over here, that's in Scarborough. So that's Scarborough Beach there. And then it comes all the way down here to Floreat Beach, to City Beach, and then literally down to Coastline. And then, I don't think you see it on the background, but Frio near like the port and all the cranes are at the back. Goes on for ages. How cool is that? What another beautiful day. Early here this morning in Craigie. We're gonna head out to City Beach today, check out the local areas, check out the community, check out the shops, and of course the beach as well. Buzzing for it, let's get into it. What I love about West Oz is just greenery everywhere. Trees, bushes, grass, and that's a bit cooked. That's like brown and that, but the heat over here, with how much rain West Oz, well, how much rain Perth gets across the year that I've seen over the last 2 years, it's not that much, to be honest. Comparison to other countries. Yeah, we're just coming up to Scarborough now. Just as this Hilux moves to the side maybe a little bit, you can see like all of the ocean and the coast. It's looking pretty choppy out there, so I think it's another windy day, but it's still going to be nice to get out there and get some walking in and see some local areas. It's going to be good. It's like a busy day. It is Friday today as well, so maybe it might be busy. All the locals doing their morning walk at the coastal path. Walks, bikes, walking their dogs, seeing their friends, getting in the steps. Did that the other day. Well good. Rendezvous Grand Hotel is up there. It's a pretty big one. The views up there overlooking the coast must be pretty damn good, I reckon so. So we're gonna head through Scarborough and to the next suburb, which is City Beach, along the coast. Beautiful area. Okay, we just left Scarborough. Now we're coming out to the next suburb. A lot of building work going on here. Just as we come out of here, you should see the coast again here, the old ocean line. Oh, there it is. There it is. Sand dunes. Okay, I think we're just heading on through to City Beach, the actual beach itself. Now look at this place, eh? Let's go a bit further down here. I'm gonna park up over there. See what's happening over here. I'm gonna head over these bumps down this coastal drive, see what's happening. Big car park over there. Big car park over here and here. Oh, I'm going in here. Let's do it. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Okay, just touched down our destination. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh. want to see what's over there. Let's have a look. This looks like a cool little viewpoint to hang out. Reminds me of Burns Beach a little bit with the walkway. How blue this water is, the ocean is. It's a bit choppy though. Fremantle just over there, Coastline just there. Lush. Okay, so first impressions of City Beach. I think it's awesome. I think it's super vibrant, full of community. There's a lot of different ages down here, a lot of different families and stuff as well. We've so far been over to that area, which is really nice. Been up here. There's quite a few different restaurants and bars, like on the coast, which is just over this side as well. They seem quite full and full of people. If you do want to get here from Perth city centre, it's going to take you about 20 minutes drive. When I did put it into the sat nav, it did route me to the City Beach town/suburb instead of the beach itself. So have a look at that in terms of directions. But yeah, first impressions, it's absolutely beautiful down here. I love the colour of the ocean here as well, like how nice and blue, light blue it is. And the fact is you can see that like all across the majority of the coastline. When I was living up in Burns Beach, all the way down to like Coastline and further south of Perth and that. So beautiful. We're going to go and get a nice little drink of water and probably coffee, and then I'm going to try and head down this direction. I think there's a nature reserve down there, and I really fancy getting some steps in, do some fitness, so we'll take you with us. Let's go. So we got a place called Hampton's Bar and Kitchen. We've also got the Voyage kiosk. This is the takeaway area where you can get like coffees and fresh juices, hot foods and that. Voyage Sea Beach. And then down there is a few other ones. We'll check that out in a minute. So this bit area here is Floreat Beach. We drove past here earlier, some nice car park spaces up there. And then over here, this is where you got like the volleyball courts. Obviously the nets aren't up, but it's where they have. I'm gonna walk out there and have a little look in a minute. Nature reserve, I think, is through there. And obviously City Beach just up there. I'm going to show you a little bit of geography. So where we drove past that Rendezvous Hotel earlier, you can literally see it in the background. So have a look at this. So see where that big tall building is? Just over here, that's in Scarborough. So that's Scarborough Beach there. And then it comes all the way down here to Floreat Beach, to City Beach, and then literally down to Coastline. And then, I don't think you see it on the background, but Frio near like the port and all the cranes are at the back. Goes on for ages. How cool is that? So I've just decided to pick this little spot down here, sitting on the rocks. Just been becoming an observer, just literally looking at like all the beautiful scenery, the locals, the community, the vibes down here, man. Like, this is what it's about, having a day off like this. As some of you may be aware, like the reason to why I stayed here in Perth, or why I made this my base, was mostly because, well, I got offered the ability to get a sponsor here, and that would be a pathway towards gaining the permanent residency, and then having this base, and then also being able to travel out when I want to, and having that flexibility, which would be amazing. I did see a snapshot of like what Perth was like when I first got here, which super blessed to have, super grateful to have. But I've always been curious with trying to find more experiences like that. Obviously we did Margaret River, which was beautiful. It said in other videos as well, is that the one thing I love about Perth is the accessibility to like the beaches like this locally. Like you see like the light blue ocean, all of the sand, the dunes, the coastal suburb towns like super nearby. And like to get here, all I did was just drive down to the beach and just have a nice little walk. Like honestly, I can definitely compare this similar to Gold Coast, doing that long stretch of beach from Burleigh Heads all the way up to like Surfers Paradise and stuff. But here, like it's full of life. It's super vibrant. Everyone's always happy, looking after like their health and their lifestyle, and you see such a diverse range of people as well. Like being down here, I was sitting here literally like for the last 5 minutes, and I can hear Spanish people talking. And obviously, like Australia is a home for so many different varieties of people, and I love that. You know, I love being able to converse and to chat and to learn about other people's stories like that. Moving forward over to the next year, I'm definitely looking forward to more trips like this, like local ones out and stuff like that. I want to see more of the south, and I want to see more of the north of WA. So stay tuned for those videos. It's going to be a year full of experiences, trying new things, and a very fun 2025. And also, you know, having these moments like this of reflection and looking back, it's 100% made me more grateful for starting up this community online. Like as a traveler, an overseas British traveler coming here to Australia, like I didn't know anybody. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what any of the states were like. It was super trial and error. And I hear from a lot of travelers and that are doing the exact same thing, that are coming over here, that want to explore and want to like chase those experiences and see more of this beautiful world we live in. And being able to connect with people like that, and also have access to like locals in this area, it gives the opportunity that they can connect easier, they can find those people easier. You know, that's when I saw working at Hillary's Beach Club and seeing all these Perth locals, I was like, wow, why don't I just put everyone together? Why don't I just ask everyone to join this group, and everyone can like support each other's growth and support each other's ability to connect and to make that a possibility. So it's been amazing. It's been so good. So if you are looking to relocate to Perth or to Australia, or you want to connect with like-minded individuals, travelers from all over the world, including Perth locals, want to have a place where you can focus on your growth, look after your health and your lifestyle, and just have a selection of people that are going to support you on your journey, then feel free to join our community group as well. I'll leave the link in the description box below. To join, all you got to do is click join group, and then I'll get a request sent through, I'll approve it, and then after that you'll get sent a DM from me on school on how to best utilize the group, so you can start using it straight away. And so that brings us on to the end of another episode. Just want to say a massive thank you for sticking on through to the end. If you got some value out of this video, go give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe for more content coming soon to this channel. If you've got any recommendations in terms of what to do here in Perth, I'd love to hear them. So feel free to comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you all guys back in the next episode. See you later, guys. Bye for now.